Hi friends, welcome to the Education Hub Learning YouTube channel. In this video, we can discuss about the HTML elements. What are the HTML elements? What are the basic tags we are used in the HTML web page? Why we use the HTML means we have to create an web pages. So by using the HTML, we can easy to build the websites. So we discussed about the elements. What are the elements in the HTML means? So the HTML elements is everything from the start tag to end tag. So this is the main. Okay. For example, you want use some tag. So the tag must have the starting tag and ending tag. Okay. So define an heading. For example, you have to add the heading. It has to start tag is H1. So open tag and closing tag. So greater than and less than symbol we are used. So this is the tag for the heading. So you have to use these. You have to define the some information, and this is a starting tag and ending tag is closing with ash. Okay, so closing with these symbols. So syntax is open tag name and tag close. In the middle you have to give the some content for that tag. So for example, I am using tag, for example, h1. Just now only I told. So content goes here is a text. Okay, so for example, you want to display the text means you have to type here. So closing tag, this is the syntax for the elements. So how to use the elements by using the syntax, followed by the syntax we can build the websites. So for example, you want to use these are the heading tags. So the heading tags are the six types. So h1 to h6. H1 size is big and compared to the h2. So h2 size is big text size and compared to 3. So like this is h6 is a small size compared to the h1 or h2, h3, h4, h5. So these are the heading tags we are called. So here already I told h1 and h1 close. This is a starting and this is a ending tag. Ending tag is must close with the ash. Don't forget, if you have opened some tag means it will must be have to close the tag. For already you seen previous video, structure of the HTML is HTML open tag and HTML close tag, and every tag has must have the starting tag and the ending tag. This is the paragraph tag. So why we use the paragraph tag means it define the paragraph. So for example, you want to give some paragraph, some paragraph. These paragraph, by using the p tag only we have to display the paragraph. So next, break tag. Break tag is only starting tag and ending tag. There is no closing tag for the break tags. So here the BR, it denotes as a BR tag defines the line break. So for example, I want to display, for example, here B BR. So RB, I want to print the next line. Okay, next line you have to use the BR tag, then only it will be display the next line. So and is an empty element without an closing tag. So br open and closing tag, there is no closing tag. So this is the break tag. These three heading tag and paragraph tag and break tag, by using these three tags I will write program for. First I used a Sublime editor. So save as, for example, I want to save desktop. In the desktop I want to say as a new folder. In this new folder, some file name first dot html. Dot html must and should, because of you are writing an html code, so you have to give some extension for it. So save as type is html, select it and save it. Dot html. So it's saved. So structure of the html already you know. So html close. Okay, in these you have to add the head tag. For example, I give as some restaurant, close. Next, title means it appear in the while you are executed, this title is appear in the browser. So for example, browser sample I will give. Next, body. In this body, in this body head, h1, for example I use h1, h1 food. Okay, save. So say h2, h2, h3 and h3, 4, 4, and 6. File and save. For example, you want run this program, go through the file explorer and select the desktop, new first. So click on it, right click on and open with Google Chrome. Whatever you are write in the code, those things are displayed here. This is a head. Okay, food is a H1, food 2 is a H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. What is the differences between the H1 to H6? You already understand. Next, paragraph tag. So this is my first page is a paragraph. Which tag we are used? P tag, P open and P close. So this is my paragraph. So it will display. Open the Chrome and refresh. Okay, this is my page is a paragraph tag. These are the headings and this is head. Okay, the title is displayed in the browser, so sample. Okay, these are the heading tags and paragraph. For example, here food 1. Okay, save, refresh, and food 1 and food 2 are the in same line, but I want this food 1 is a next line. What tag we are used, which tag we want to use? So br is a break tag. Save and enter. It will display in the next line by using the br tag. Next, style attributes. What are the style attributes? How to use the style attributes like we discussed. So the syntax of the tag style is equal to property and value. For example, you want add some color or some background color or some text, some something you want add. By using the style attribute, then only you can add the some specific property. So this is the syntax for the style attribute. So what are the style attributes, let me discuss. Let me discuss now. These are the attributes, these are the tags. Okay, for example, A is a tag. For these A, which attribute we are used, let's discuss in this video. So a tag and properties a tag href. Okay, href attribute we have to use. By using the a tag, what is the use of the a tag? Why we use the a tag means it specify the URL of the page link. For example, you want add some link. For example, I take as a home. Okay, home. So this is a hyper text mark. No, no, anchor tag we are used. Okay, so a means anchor tag, so you have to add some link for the home button. Whenever you have to click on home button, it will open the another page, because of you have to link up to another page. So whenever you have to click on the home page, it will appear the next. For example, let's see, I take a attribute is href is equal to some page home button, home, and a close. For example, I take program.html. Okay, program.html file, save and open the Chrome and refresh it. Okay, blue color. Okay, whenever you have to click on the home button, it will open the program.html file. Whatever you are wrote in the program.html, that output will be printed here. Okay, next, this is the anchor tag. So next, how to add the image? So img is an image tag, img is an image tag. So this is the tag. Okay, these which tag we are, which attribute used for the img means is c. This is the source. Okay, source, and the it specify the path to the image to display. Okay, so this is the src is equal to some image name. Okay, property, and value. So this is the adding of image. So while you're adding the image, must and should. For example, you're saying you're saved in the desktop and new folder. In this new folder only you have to save the image name, then only it displayed easily. For example, I'm in the downloads means you have to copy the path, otherwise you have to save in your folder only, it's better easy. So for example, I take one image. I take image. Image type is JPG. Okay. File name is Sai. So tag name img src attribute image name is Sai dot jpg. Okay. Okay. It will added the image. So this is the image tag. And okay, next tag is image alter. It's why we use the alt attribute for the image means, if you want add the alternate text for the image. For example, I take one image. In the downside you have to write some text. I want, by using the alt, you have to add the alternate text. For example, alter is equal to this. This is Sai Baba. Okay, and file and save. It will not display. Okay, let it be. Next one, style. Style attribute is add the, for example, text size or color or font. For example, you have to add an background color. Whatever you are used for the text, you have to use the style attribute for the tags. Okay. For example, food is food is displayed in the center. Which attribute you are used for the tag? Style. Okay, style is equal to property. So you have to add the text align. So text align center or right or left, whatever. So I want middle. So text align, this is the property for the uh, center or right or left. So I want to choose an center. File, save and run it. This is a center position. Okay. For example, I want add color for the paragraph. So style is equal to color is an property, value is I take as a red color. Okay, add it. For example, you want okay, already we discussed what is style, extra information about an element. So this is the declaration language, so you know already. For example, image width you want reduce, so width is equal to, for example, 200, height is 500. Okay, these are the attributes only. Width and height changed. This is height and width. Okay, this is code for the how to add the center right or text aligns, and what are the heading tags, how many types of heading tags and paragraph tags, how to add the link, hyperlink, and how to display image, what is the tag we are using, image tag, what are the attributes of the image tags. These things are we discussed in this video. Thank you for watching this video. If